whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound.
This is for especially.
In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
You know that's not a sound. That's what the sound.
Yeah. Same. Okay. Yeah. Wow.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each
But this area is also
echoing
empty
step
outside. I mean,
on
maybe
the
just
forest
little
floor
high.
opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm
But my personal mindset is like always go with those type of bikes, which I have, or like maybe you guys have Java, right? Yeah, so that bike is also good.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering
Oh wow, look at
pines,
this.
secrets untold,
They just drop it.
carrying tales only the
Okay. Oh, okay.
forest
Simulator type. Okay.
Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky.
This one is nice.
Oh,
Is it restored properly or just painted?
sing me your tune,
Yeah.
caught in the rhythm of the stars and
I think your channel have more art,
teach
right?
me
Is it
the
already paid one?
language
No?
of rustling leaves.
I have 1,000, but what I do idiot stuff. I stop posting.
Breath of the breeze.
The time I go like, okay, I'm also post. They sell it, and sometimes somebody made a restaurant out of
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor
This is for the machine or
opens a world through an ancient door.
maybe it's just
The
machine.
silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills The earth